ชีวิตอาตาเนบาวาบอยนีมาเดตุนกามาเกลอยกาสักนบกดีลอยบุกสุนเวเกเกียเอวากาคลติจาบุกสมาปะกาจา
My brethren, sisters, brothers, we are in a very special season of Lent, and something very special about this season is our reflection, bringing back to our minds the sufferings of our Lord Jesus Christ. Our Lord Jesus, who came from his Father's heart into this world, he took up a cross and he walked that way of the cross up till Calvary. Every Friday we are very happy to see all our folks in big numbers on this our church grounds, walking with Jesus, the footsteps, walking with Jesus, the footsteps of Christ. Meditating on the sufferings of Jesus is very beneficial to us. We recollect the love of our Lord for us. We are changed, our hearts and minds are changed by the greatness of His love, even till death. So as we are now entering deeper into this season of Lent, I wish everyone a very fruitful celebration of this season till we come to Easter. Today we are also having these retreats in our parish, all these 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which will be followed by confessions, the 8th and 9th, from around 5:30 till 8. So these are the ways, these are the paths that we want to walk and have a very fruitful Easter.